I walked out at night with my trash when I heard the faintest meow. At first I thought I imagined it, but it came again, so small it made my heart drop. I traced the sound to a heating room, locked. The window was too tiny to crawl through. Inside, a little cat paced, eyes wide, clearly starving and scared. I tried the handle, no luck. I looked for another entrance, nothing. It was late, and I didn't have tools, but I couldn't just walk away. I tossed some food through the gap to see if it would eat. The kitten didn't touch it, too scared to move.
One day later.
After hearing that tiny meow last night, I came back first thing. I had borrowed the key from building management and brought a carrier, water, and soft snacks. When the door clicked open, the room felt warm and quiet. Then I saw her. The same little face from yesterday, pressed behind the pipes. I crouched low and spoke softly. She trembled but didn't hiss, just watched. I set the snack down and backed up. The smell hit and she crept out, ribs showing. The moment she realized it was safe, she ate like she hadn't eaten in days, tiny jaw working nonstop, little paws kneading the floor between bites. I kept the camera low, no sudden moves. Once she finished the first pouch, I offered water and a second snack. She glanced up at me, did a cautious head tilt, then dove back in. That was my cue. I slowly slid the carrier closer and laid a towel inside. After a minute of chin rubs and whispers, she stepped in on her own. Door closed. No panic. Just a soft, relieved meow. She was finally out. I brought her to a quiet corner to rest. She nuzzled my fingers, crumbs on her whiskers, and purred like an engine. Yesterday was fear, today was safety, and a very, very full belly. I took her back home. I set the plastic chest on the floor and she trotted over like a tiny inspector, sniffing the rim, testing it with one paw, squeak, then another, and suddenly she was inside like she owned the place. She rubbed her cheek along the edge to claim it, surfed from one side to the other, moonwalked on the tile, and launched back in with superhero confidence. Quick question for the cat experts. What do you think she might be? Comment your vote. A. Domestic long hair mix. B. British short hair mix. C. Persian mix. D. Siberian mix. E. Not sure, just 100% adorable. Please comment your idea down below. She spun, scratched a corner to sign her name, and slid across the smooth base with a surprised little chirp that made her try it again, faster, prouder. She popped onto the rim, tail high, bouncing like a gymnast, leapt out for a quick victory lap, and dove straight back in as if the chest had called her. Rescued yesterday, crowned today, her little plastic castle had become a home. I ran to the shop for a tiny feast, picked a sturdy red bowl, a good can opener, and 2 flavors, chicken pate and tuna in gravy. Back home, she sat on a cardboard like a guard, sniffing the air, eyes wide. I cracked the can, steam rose, her ears shot up. I spooned soft chunks, added warm water, and slid the bowl closer. She tapped the rim once, then ate like yesterday's hunger finally ended. Clink, clink, the bowl sang while her purr rumbled through the metal. Halfway through, she blinked at me, gravy on whiskers like a tiny thank you. Second flavor vanished even faster. She kneaded the cardboard between bites. A few sips of water, a thorough paw wash, and a brave little sigh in my lap. I still don't know what to do with this little cute cat, but she needs my help. What should I do? Foster, find adopters, or keep her? Please comment your thoughts.